Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact the Kikoff support if you have any issue about your account or any problem that you can face while using Kikoff. So the first method is to open Kikoff website and you can reach out to them by calling this number. It is working 24/7, so they will answer you within 2 to 3 minutes. If they don't, you can search in the website or browser that you are using for Kikoff support. Then you will find this first website. So you can either email them with this email, or you can just click on this one, Get Help, and it will open a live chat so you can talk with them. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.